The pop-up.
Move to the element. How to move to the element? How will you move? How will you click? See, in order to click you, is it possible to inspect now? It is not at all possible to inspect. Then how will you move and click? See here, I told you what we have done in the last time. How do we press save file radio button? Same way, here all pages are there. I want to press this radio button. What is the solution?
Alt G.
In keyboard, what do you press?
Alt G.
So press on. Now control A here. Now you type 2 I1 4. Done. Next. Next again number of copies. What is underlined? C. Alt. Then how many number of copies to take? 2. I want 2 copies. So I will click on print. Okay. Printer is not also connected and it's not very much. So that is the reason I'm getting here. But this is how they go to follow. Are you guys getting? Okay. Now let us automate the same scenario. Let me create a class called print. Okay. Let me create a class called print pop along with one main method. Okay. Create a class. I'll create a class called print pop. Now I will copy the static block. Okay. What is the static block? And then this one static block. Okay. Next is what? Next is what? System dot set properties tab. Then WebDriver. Okay. Driver is equal to new 5 box driver. Driver dot get method is to enter the URL. Driver dot get method is to enter the URL. Okay, open the browser, enter the URL. Next. What is the next step? What is the next? Use robot class. By using robot class. See, first step is done. Sorry, first step is not done. Open the browser is done. Enter the google.com is done. Now I want to press Control P. And then how to press Control P? By using robot R is equal to robot R is equal to new robot R. Done. R dot key press of key event. Yes, R dot key press. Okay, key press. Inside that I have to use key event. Okay, key event dot. Okay, underscore controls. Type C and you can select control here. Control. Done. Next, what is the next step? Sorry, R dot key press. I should press what? T control. R dot key press. I should press what? Control. Sorry, control is done. Now I should press T. VK underscore T. Now control P is pressed. So it will get the power. After that, you have to release control. That is mandatory. Okay. But that is up to you whether you want to release P or not. That is not mandatory. Even though if you don't release, okay, normal the alphabets, so VK underscore control. VK underscore control.
You should write key release instead of key press.
That's every time I say done. Next.
Then key release of key event dot VK underscore.
Okay, what is the next step? First step is automated. Second, you have to select the second radio button. Tell me how to select the second radio button. Let me open. See, I'll
So
press
there is
control.
no release of P here.
No need, no need, no need. If you want to release, yes, you can release nothing. Nothing will, okay. If you want to release, you can release the, okay. I already told this in the last example also. It is not mandatory to release, okay. Alphabets. Special is mandatory to release. Alphabets option. Okay, no need of releasing normal keys. Okay, no need of releasing alphabets or numbers. Okay. Next. Next. Tell me how to select second radio button. Alt
So all
plus G. Alt plus G. Then press 2-4. Then Alt C. Then 2 copies. Click on print button. Okay, this much I need to automate. I will see that now. How to press Alt G. Tell me how to press Alt G. R dot key press. R dot key press. Key event. R dot key press. Key event. Dot VK underscore. Okay. Underscore what? VK underscore Alt. R dot key press again. VK underscore Alt is done. Now next, I have to press what? Tell me next what after Alt? VK underscore.
key event is sub.
And then next you have to release this. You have to release this.
Release all.
Release Alt. R dot key press. R dot key press. Okay. Release sorry. R dot key press or key release. Key release. VK underscore Alt. Release Alt is done. Release Alt is done. Okay. Done. Next. What is the next?
We write for 2 copies like.
Sorry. Press. Tell me. See what is that? Alt T is done. Alt G is also done. Okay.
So in all
Alt T
we
is done.
write
Alt
2 now.
1 second. This is not good. Sorry. Control G. Sir, Alt G. Done. Next. Next 2-4. How to press 2-4? 2-4. R dot. R dot key press key event. Okay. Dot VK underscore
2.
ERD. Then after that, you have to press I1. R dot key press. Okay. Key press key event. VK dot VK underscore. Okay. VK underscore. I want to press I1. Tell me how to press I1. Minus. You can use what? Minus. Then at last you have to press R dot key press. Okay. VK underscore key event, okay, dot vk underscore r dot key event vk underscore 4. Let's see that whether it is going to press or not. Let me use red dot stick for the this much we'll see. Okay, the remaining things we can do something. Okay, no, I'll give 3 seconds. Let me execute and check it. We'll see that this much we'll see. Then we will proceed. Open the Firefox browser. Tab. Next is what? Enter the URL. What is the URL? Google.com. Then press Control P. So we'll see that. Open the browser history. But it is taking time. Okay. Okay. Now it's time. Okay. Google. Okay. Then press Control P. Done. Here. It's also done. To iPhone 4. It's also done. Now I should go to okay. Number of copies equals 2 and then click on the print button. Okay. Click on the print button. Here I will give just 2 seconds also more than how to press. How to press a number of copies. How to press number of copies you can. How to press this. Either I should press what? See by default it is like this to iPhone 4. Okay. Then after that you can press tab. Okay. And then give to or alt C also you can. It is up to you guys. Okay. You can use alt C or tab and then take type 2 and then click on it. Let me use tab. We are already used that. Okay, we use tab. How to press tab? R dot key press. R dot key press key event. R dot key press key event dot vk underscore. Okay, vk underscore. Okay, tab. Vk underscore tab. Next, after that, R dot key press. Okay, tab I have pressed. Okay, after tab typing tab. Okay, you have to give. You can release the tab also, or after typing also you can release. Okay, let me release. Tab means go to control. Okay. So I will give key event dot tab. vk underscore basic to target key event vk underscore okay dot vk underscore okay. Done. After that, click on enter button. It will take it will print r dot key press. Okay, enter vk underscore vk underscore enter. Okay, then okay release r dot key release r dot key release. R dot key release. We'll see this. Let me give Delta C for one more step also. That is for our purpose. I am giving Delta C. Okay, no need of giving Delta C actually. I will remove it. After that, if you want to remove, you can remove. Open the Firefox browser, enter the URL google.com and type Control P. One second. Those are the browsers.
Sir,
One second, let me stop. Let me after that, you get a pop-up. After getting a pop-up, okay, go to page 2 to 4. The number of copies should be 2. For that, you are pressing tab and then click on the print button. This is what we are doing. You'll see that. Open the Firefox browser. Go to google.com, then press Control P, that is also done. See, this is also same. 2-4, press tab. Tab also pressed. Then 2, click on print button. See, click on print button because I am getting this pop-up means click on the print button successfully. Okay. Take on. I'll put it in the chat room also. To handle print pop-up in all the browsers except Chrome. In Chrome browser, we can inspect the print button. Okay, which we can handle it by using normal finding. Assignment is automated for lines. You open the Google Chrome, go to google.com, print, okay, press Control P, okay, and then click on print button. This is the assignment. Then after that, put a link on notification. Once it is done,
hello, sir.
yes, tell me, Mouse.
Sir, that automation of following scenarios is done, not that one.
This is using Chrome browser. I want you to use Chrome browser. Okay. That one way of done it in Firefox browser. This one is Chrome browser. Here you just print it. Click on print button. Don't do anything, any other things like number of pages or number of copies. Okay, that is not required. Here just click print button. Press Control P. Click on print button. That is the scenario. I will show you. Just take it. I will show you. Just take it. Take notes. Take notes. Write a step to automatic formats. What is that technique? Okay. Actually, I should have been given this last week. It's not given this, but I forgot. What is it? Go to this website. I'll give you URL. Press to the end that type policy number 1, 2. Then date of birth. Date of birth. You will select any date of birth.
So you already gave the hello. So you already gave the thing last week, 26/7.
Then why you guys are telling it's not given?
Renegade health insurance.com.
Nitya, sorry, near the Chowdhury, you are from weekend batch itself, right? Weekdays batch.
Yes. No, sir, weekend batch only. You gave it last week itself. Before you started file a group pop-up, you gave this.
Yes.
For education academy. So you did division pop-up, yes, after that you give this.
Then why you guys are telling no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's okay, leave it. Let me open the browser, enter the URL. Because whatever it is there in the notes, I follow the sequence and follow it. I don't know why you guys have done that. Okay, let us come back to notification. What is the notification pop-up? Okay, notification pop-up. Okay, I have given this assignment. Enter the policy number, date of birth, contact number, then click on this video button. This was the assignment as okay, when you enter this website, okay, when you open this browser and enter the website, you get one form that is called as notification form. Okay, this is not coming. Let me open clear it. One second, else 1 second. Give me a second. Just simply any program I will just open. I will tell you what I'm doing. Just executing any program which we have done in it. Previous classes. I have said it. Everything is there under previous class. Just I want any browser which is open by auto. Okay. I will close this. Not required. See, I will paste the URL, or I will just type clear trip.com. Or if you go to the Religare also, you get that pop-up. Okay. Open the browser, enter cleartrip.com. Then you get that one pop-up. That is called as notification pop-up. You will get it. Okay. What is that notification pop-up? We'll see. See, this is called as notification pop-up. I cannot move. Neither I cannot inspect. Neither you cannot inspect nor move it. Okay. Then it is called as, if it is also the allow and block button, then it is called as what? Okay, then it is called as what? Okay, then it is called as what? What kind of pop-up it is? Notification pop-up. What are the characteristics? I cannot move, I cannot inspect. This pop-up will have allow and block. What is the solution? These are the characteristics. These are the characteristics of the pop-up. Then what is the solution? How to handle? So how to handle without inspect? No, I cannot. This is not the alert pop-up. You cannot use diode instead of alert. This is not the alert pop-up. This is notification pop-up. So you cannot, since you are not able to inspect, okay, it is very difficult to click on this allow or block. Then how to handle this pop-up? We'll see that. Okay, we'll see. Actually, first time, here also I open clear trip. Okay, here also I open clear. When I enter clear trip here, I got notification from here. When I enter clear trip here, I didn't get notification. The reason is this one. This is also Chrome browser. This is also Chrome browser. Both are Chrome browsers. Okay, this one is I have opened it manually. This one I have opened by using automation. Here you can see one thing called Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. Okay, means what is the meaning is you are opening the Chrome browser by using Selenium. Whenever you open any Chrome browser by using Selenium, it will open the Chrome browser with default settings. Means, okay, for example,
Hello. Hello, sir. Sir, you're not audible, sir. Sir, you're not audible. Sir, you are not audible, sir. Now we can hear you. Now, yes, sir. Audible. Now you're not.
It was breaking or
Sir,
complete?
sir, repeat, sir. Complete from the beginning.
Share. I will repeat it once. Okay.
Sir, before starting program, whatever you explained, we didn't hear anything.
Okay. Fine. I'll explain everything. I'll explain. See here. I have opened two clear trip. Okay, one manual I have opened, one more by using automation. Okay, if I open it, if I open the clear trip in automation, okay, if I open the browser in automation, you'll get the message that it's clear. Okay, Chrome is being controlled by automation. And also here I will get the notification. Whereas here I will not get in manual. Okay, let me open 1 second. driver is equal to, okay, new Chrome driver. Okay, driver dot get method. Here I will give clear driver. Let me execute this. Okay, let me execute this. We'll see this. Okay, in manual I'm not getting any notification pop-up. In automation you will get it. Reason is whenever you open any browser, okay, by using Selenium, it will always open the browser in default. See, Chrome is being controlled by automated system. Open the browser, enter the URL. Now you'll get that notification. I've already clicked on block in the previous time, but still you will get it. See, but if I click on block button in manual part, will not get it because it will always, whenever you open the browser manually, it will open the browser in modified settings. Means whatever the settings you have changed it previously. But here it will always open the browser every time in default settings. Means whenever you install the Chrome browser, in the beginning how it will work, empty history, empty cookies. Then what is the solution? You have to, I cannot expect that I cannot click on this block or allow button. Okay. Then what is the solution is, okay, I have to go to these settings and then click on this. Go to settings and click on L. Sorry. You have to go to settings and then change the settings. There you can click on allow on block. Okay, here also you can do it. There also you can manually. And then how will your automation you do? In automation, how will you do it in automation? Whenever you want to change any settings, means whenever you want to go to settings, then you have to use this class, Chrome options class. There's a class called Chrome options class. In that, there is a method called it's a non-static method. Okay, arguments basically. Okay, like every class will have its options. Firefox options class, Internet Explorer options class. Like how we have Chrome driver class, Firefox driver class, like that, Internet Explorer class, same as options class. Why we need this? Whenever you want to change the settings, go to settings and change this. Okay, I want to disable the notification. I want to block. Means you are disabling the notification. I don't want any notification. Now what? Please don't show notifications. How will you disable? For that, you have to use, okay, how to call this method? Add arguments is a non-static method. So you have to create an object of this class. Present in Chrome options class. Chrome option is equal to new Chrome, okay, new Chrome options. Okay, then here option dot add argument. Here, okay, here I will give disable notification -1 disable notifications. Okay, so that, okay, means what we are doing here. What is this line number 12 and 2 is doing? Go to settings and change the settings. What settings you are changing? Don't display notification pop-up. I don't want notification. Okay, I don't want notification. Okay, disable. Then normal everything. Now what? You not get that pop-up. What is our intention? My intention is what? I don't want this pop-up. So I will click on that block manually. How will you do it in automation? It not inspect out. Then how will you do it? Go to settings. Okay, then change the settings. Telling that disable this notification. This notification don't display. How to do it? First, change the settings. After changing the settings, open the browser. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. new Chrome driver. Here you have to pass option as an argument. Means it will open the browser. Okay, actually, if I don't do options, if I don't use options, I get driver.get method clear trip card. See, now I will not get that pop-up. We'll see that. 1 second. I will repeat this. Don't worry. If I execute this, it will open the browser in modified settings. Till now, WebDriver is equal to new Chrome driver. We open the browser in default settings. Now, this is the meaning of this is open the browser in default settings. What is the modified? What is the modified settings means? Don't display notification pop-up. You disable it. See here, are we getting notification pop-up? Now, we are not. Are you guys getting? See here, if I remove these two lines, you will get it. Let me remove it. I will remove it. Okay. Here, this line, what is the meaning? Open the Chrome browser in default settings. Previous, this one. Open the change the settings. After changing the settings, I am telling the browser, you open the browser with this default settings. Means with modified settings. See, let me show you. See, if I open the browser, you will get the pop-up. That notification pop-up will. See, are we getting pop-up? Now we are getting. Because we have written normal program. If I write that, you will not get. Are you getting? See, if I open, if I do this, you will not get it. Let me close this browser. See, now we will not get it. That pop-up only will not. First, in line number 12 and 13, what we are doing? Changing this settings. After that, we are telling the browser to open it with this settings. Okay, with this change of settings, with modified. Now we will not get it. Are you guys getting? Yes, sir. Hello. So can't we handle that pop-up like by clicking the allow or can? No. Not possible. So some applications we will get that pop-up and we need to allow. So can't we automate? Yes, you can allow. You can use enable notification and try it out. Okay, you can use that. Like that we have the codes of disable notification instead of enable notification. It will click on notification. So this is a predefined text for this type of scenarios. Yes. It's like a key.
You can show once by enabling the notification and clicking on allow.
No. After that you will get. It will come. Notification means it will click. That pop-up will not come. Okay, but you will get the notification from this website. Wait, what is the meaning of allow notification? What is the meaning of allow notification? You will get the next time onwards, you will keep on getting the notifications. In WhatsApp funnel, you will see notifications slide. Means flights. Okay, you will get one notifications in the here. Here you will get the corner from this website.
No, sir. Like now, if you do allow notification, fine. Like whatever, how suppose in the current notification, whatever I'm getting, I just want to click on allow. That is not possible. No?
Sorry. We will see that. Okay, I never. It is enable once. Enable notification. Only one time, no, we'll see that. Yes, it's clicked on. No, that is not happening. Although clicking it is not If allowing or not, no, that is not possible. Happening, that is not happening. Only you can disable the notification. That's it. But what is the code for it? For clicking on allow button, the code will be there. I will speak out. What is the character? E character. What do you want to give? That one also I will check it on and then I will give.
Sir, suppose now we are disabling the notification. Think that my scenario is I have to print you text whatever is present in the notification box at that time.
Text. Want to print the text?
Present in the notification.
One second. Do we have the text? I don't think so. Text will be there. The notification pop up. We'll see that. One second. One second. Those option is not there in alert. We can do it. Here we cannot do it. Here we cannot do it. But once it will be in second. This option so that you will get the now pop will come. Okay, even though I'm changing the settings, I'm opening the default settings for this pop-up. One second. There is no text. Okay, there is no text. Okay, special text or not. This show notification is the only. This from google.com. No, we cannot get the text. We don't have the option. Okay. Then take this. Put any code notification pop-up. Then take.
Sir, after this, can you explain one more time that notification pop up?
I will.
Thank you. Thank you.
Completely one more time. Thank you. She also asked the same thing. I don't know anything. Just take it.
Sir, one more thing. Even after writing this code, we have to do some changes in the settings. Or no need to do any changes in settings, just we have to write this code.
No. This itself is the changing the settings.
Okay,
there's no home options. And add argument is there. No. Add argument is the method for changing it. Okay. Like this add argument is a method. Okay, it's not static method. Whenever you want to change any settings, you give here. It will change this. Why this Chrome options class reducing? Because it's a non-static method. So create an object of Chrome options. Then call this add arguments. Add arguments is present in every class. Chrome options, Firefox options, Internet Explorer options. Right? Okay, whenever you want to change any settings, then you have to use this class and along with the add arguments. After changing the setting, you have to pass option here. Very, very important. Two people will be. Okay, everyone will be. You have to change this option. Or else it will not open it. Okay, modify setting.
Sir, below the program, whatever is written in
See here. Now you'll get the one pop-up notification pop-up. We cannot inspect, you cannot. Then how to click on the block button? How to click on allow button? Okay. How